This was day 2 of our trip. It rained all day. The first day we were there for the full day. So today we planned on going to Valley of Fire and doing some off-roading. Here we are, getting ready to do some off-roading trail on the Logandale Trail System. And as you can see, the beautiful red rock of this area out here. It's beautiful out here. Let's flip this around a little bit. So we're about ready to go out, do a little bit of off-roading today. Finally got out, rained all day yesterday, it's looking nice today. We'll see you on the trails. This was the first place we stopped to do a little bit of a hiking back up into the small canyon here. We went up a little ways until we could go no farther and headed back to the truck to do some more off-roading. As you can see here, there are a lot of open spaces in Valley of Fire as well as the canyons where you can get back and do some hiking. It's really a beautiful area. As you can see, plenty of places to go off-roading. This is the Valley of Fire off-road loop on the Logandale Trail System, as I mentioned earlier. We got one of the local four-wheeler drive grazers. A lot of that out here. Whew, out of breath. See this cool rock formations over here. There they go. So, whew, just climbed up here. Very cool formation, as you can see. It's pretty much straight down there. You can see Rob down there. But it's very, very awesome here. Turn around a little bit so you can see. Sorry about the wind. Don't want to fall down there, for sure. But this is exactly what we were after here. Wave to everyone, Mr. Rob. There he is. Silent, but deadly. Nope, don't want to fall down there. Got a little echo in this canyon. Echo. Hello. Hello, hello. More fun things to do out here. There's Rob, king of the world. On a nice rock formation. I just wanted to give you an idea of what some of the trail looked like while we were driving through various rock formations. Beautiful red rock everywhere. Definitely a bumpy road. Definitely need off-road vehicle with a little bit of extra clearance. This was actually a fairly tame version of the area that we were in. We went through some tougher areas, but I don't recommend going back here unless you've got four-wheel drive with a little bit extra clearance. Enjoyed the video. It wasn't designed to show you all the details, but just to give you an idea of the things that we were doing while we were driving off-road in Valley of Fire. If you did like it, please remember to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Thanks so much.